Hello everybody, this is Mark Pay. Welcome to the Adaptive PE channel. For today, I'm going to be talking about creating a bowling set, homemade bowling set out of household supplies around the house. So with our bowling set today, we're going to have 3 items that I'm going to show you. We're going to be creating a modified bowling ramp. We're going to use different types of balls, creating your own ball with household items. And then we're going to create some bowling pins. All right, and then I'll do a little demonstration of the activity, putting everything together. So the first item or first equipment that I created was the bowling ramp. And this was a really fun one to make and easy. I basically used soda boxes, as you can see. These are about 3 of them. They're like, I believe these are like 12-pack boxes. And you mainly just cut off the tops, slap some tape together, and boom, you have a ramp. It's real nice because you have the side railings here, which helps the students, allow them to drop the ball down the ramp and it doesn't roll off to the sides. Pretty consistent. I like it. And then what you could also add, you could create some visuals. You could put some stickers, bright colored tape. This one's a little, kind of boring, but you could be creative and decorate the ramp. Next item, our bowling ball. So right now you could use at home, if you don't have a tennis ball, you could roll up socks, which is easy. Everybody has socks. Use bright colors for our students. We could also tape the socks to make them a little bit bigger if you'd like, or just wrap more socks around it. Roll up socks. Another idea we can use is noise making balls for our students. Whoops. So what I did, I actually used a wiffle ball. Maybe if you do have one around the house, it's nice because they have holes. So I basically taped this wiffle ball and I threw a bunch of popcorn kernels and then tape it back up, and then you have a noise making ball. Help the students keep them engaged. Let's see. I also found some bean bags. I use this for cornhole, but for students to help with their fine motor for grasping, that helps too, and also added weight for strength. And I think that's what we have for the bowling balls. Let's see, for bowling pins, of course, I used different types of size bottles. You could use water bottles. I used, bigger size soda water bottles. Yeah. And then let's see. Oh, and I forgot to add, I found this laying around. You could also use as a ramp your windshield sunshade for your car, from your car. Open it up like this. I actually added some tape and I added some arrows as a visual for our students. So again, use that. All right, let's put these to the test. Oh, to place our pins, I got another cardboard box. This is just another cardboard box that holds sodas, anything to keep the pins in place. Just stack them on top like this. So I'm going to show you. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we could fill up our bowling pins or our water bottles with some kernels. Or we could also fill them up with water and then maybe use some food coloring for some visuals. Okay, add that. And then I also have here a demonstration. I have a wheelchair here, so to show you how we would use the ramp. All right, so here's our ramp. I'm gonna grab one of these balls here. I'm gonna use my noise making ball. So here, I'm gonna pretend I'm being the student. Student's sitting. What's nice about this ramp, it's portable. You can move it around depending on the severity, where your student is with skill level. But what we could work on here, you can start off placing it right on top of their lap. You could either place the ball into their hand, or you could have them work on grabbing it from their lap, and then now reaching out to work on that rolling skill. Reaching out, dropping it down the rail, and boom, strike. How awesome is that? So yeah, you could also challenge, help out the student. You can move around the rail, you can move it farther, have them work on that reaching, that mobility, range of motion. Different heights, lower it, you could higher it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Hopefully that helped everybody. Well, we'll see you again.